Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the Brand Designer AI agent. It helps you quickly create promo posters, cover images, and marketing copy, perfect for new products like Bika when launching online. This agent is set up with a professional brand and marketing designer prompt. It knows how to create promotional kits for platforms like Product Hunt and AppSumo, and best of all, it has the ability to generate images directly, so you get both the ideas and the visuals. Here's an example of what I typed in. I asked AI to generate a 1536x1024px product hunt poster, minimalist text style with deep space blue and tech purple, highlighting Bika's Kanban, collaborative docs, and message sync interface, plus team avatars. In just a few seconds, the AI generates a polished promotional poster ready to use. The whole process takes less than a minute, and you get professional quality results without hiring a designer. If you'd like to try it yourself, just visit Bika.ai and look for the Brand Designer template in the Template Center.